It's Alf here from Instrowest. Today we're going to show you a PV210 hand pump, low pressure hand pump, and a DPI705 digital manometer. So this is for a client that wants to calibrate low pressure applications. So we've paired the two up for him and should provide him with what he needs. So let's open it up and see what we've got. We'll open up the pressure pump first. So there's our hand pump, our DPI210. So as you can see, it's a nice little aluminium unit. It's actually quite light. It comes with two hoses, one that we can take to our calibrator and the other one we can run to our pressure transmitter or whatever it is we're calibrating. Here's the leakage test for it. It shows that it's passed from the factory. Okay, so these are a handy little unit. There's two parts of them. We've got a normal pressure pump here, which we can use to pump the pressure up. There's also a vernier adjustment here, so we can fine adjust the pressure that we require. And then we've got a bleed off screw just here. Alright, so if you want to pump a transmitter up, for argument's sake, you hook this to our calibrator, that the transmitter, pump, happy days, fine adjust. The other thing this will do is it will do vacuum. So at the moment it's set for pressure, and to go between them you just push this pin through. So it says here push for pressure, so at the moment that's set up for pressure. If you want to run this as a vacuum pump, turn it over and we push the pin back through and it says push for vacuum. Push that back through and away you go. And now you're generating a vacuum. Okay. So this one here comes in a case. There's two options on our website. There's just the pump, or there's the unit in the case, which comes with two hoses and these fittings. So I'll just put that away and show you the fittings. So the fittings just comes with a standard. We've got a selection of male and female MPT fittings here. Okay, so in our male fittings we've got a quarter MPT fitting. You'll see there, that's our quarter MPT fitting, and that actually screws into the end here. So we can undo that. Like so. And that will screw on. Now you've got a quarter MPT. So we've got a quarter MPT and we've got a 1/8 MPT in male. Alright. We've also got in female fittings. We have here a 1/2 inch MPT female, a 3/8 MPT, a 1/8 MPT. The one we just took off before I believe is a quarter MPT, and I believe this one here is another quarter MPT female. It is. So in this kit, 2 quarter MPT females, 1 MPT, 3/8 female, 1/2 inch female, 1/8 female, and in the male threads a 1/8 MPT and a quarter MPT. Anyway, all of these fittings have a home in this kit, which is quite handy. So you can add them all in, and you can add these ones in there as well, like so. That one can go off and go in there as well. Alright, let's have a look at the DPI705, see what that comes with. DPI705, this is an intrinsically safe version. We can tell that because it's yellow. The safe area 705s are actually a sky blue colour, as you can see on the instruction manual. So it comes with an instruction manual and a calibration certificate. As always, store these somewhere safe. Also comes with a set of batteries. Batteries just simply go in the back and away you go. So we've ordered this to suit this calibrator, so it's an MPT version. This is a digital manometer style, so it's got a high and a low tapping point to measure differential pressure. We can get these in a gauge pressure version as well. So essentially for our client, what they're going to want to do on site, obviously they'd use some thread tape when they were doing this. Where are we? There it is. Sorry, wrong one. They get the 1/8 fitting, whack it into the positive side, screw into the hose, like so. It's all hand tight. Obviously the MPT would be fitted off properly. and away they go, and that can go to their instrument that they're going to calibrate. If you'd like to know any more on the Druck range of hand pumps and standalone pressure gauges, including the 705 and the DPI104, feel free to jump on our website www.instrowest.com.au or give us a call on 9500 9120.